Today we're going to be talking about Apple Keynote. So pretty much we are going to be talking about what is Keynote, how to access it, and how it works. So what is Apple Keynote? So Apple Keynote is a creative presentation program made by Apple that can help people share information through a slideshow presentation that includes pictures, text, videos, and music. It's a simple platform. It's very easy to access. They have a lot of options and it's free for Apple users. So how to access it? So this is how to download Keynote. The application is available on any Apple device, including iPhones, MacBooks, and tablets. It comes pre-installed on most Apple devices. So how to access it? If you simply need to install the app, go to the App Store and search up Keynote. And this is how it works. So to launch the app, click on the Keynote icon in your menu bar or search for it in Finder. From the menu folder, start a new presentation by clicking on New Document in the bottom left corner. So choosing a template. Once you have started a new document, it will bring up to the template menu where you can choose which template you want to use for your slideshow presentation. Standard is to make the templates have a square shape for square shaped screens, whereas wide is to format the presentation for wider screens. After you've picked a template and click on Choose, it will bring you to the page where you can start creating your presentation. In the center of the screen is where you get to edit your slides. The first slide that you see will often be your title slide. On the left is the column where all your slides will be. When you click on a slide in the left column, it will appear in the center of your screen where you can edit it. So this is how it works. The list of your slides is in the left column there. In the center, you just double click to edit. This is the panel. So across from the left column on the right, panels that change. If you click on the format of the buttons, animate document, the panel will change. Each panel gives you options of how you can change and edit the slide that you're working on in the middle and your overall presentation. Those buttons are part of your toolbar at the top of your screen. The toolbar has different buttons you can use to edit your presentation. The toolbar can be found at the top. The View button can lead to more options that can affect how your screen looks like when editing. So, toolbar, View. Navigation is the basic setting for your screen when editing that has your slides listed on the left side and the slide you're working on in the middle. Light Table shows you all your presentation slides from the beginning to end. Slide Only shows you just the slide that you are currently editing. Outline, which listed your slides on the left numerically. Show Rulers is another one which will add rulers to the slide you're working when editing. To activate any of these options, click on View, then on which view option you want. To get rid of the option, just click the same option again. More options in toolbar is Zoom, which you can click on to enlarge and shrink your slides. Add Slide is a button which adds a new slide to your slide presentations, which you can see listed on the left. Clicking New Slides will give you options of the different kinds of slides you can add to your presentation. For example, the first slide that you see when starting a new presentation is the title slide, like a cover of a book. Play is start playing your presentation. To stop your presentation, click on the X and it will bring you back to editing. Table is insert a table into your slide. Chart is insert a chart into your slide. Text, insert a text box onto your slide. Then you click the box to start writing. Media is add pictures to your slide. You can choose from photos, gallery, movies, music, record audio, and choice. Clicking on, choose. Clicking on choose will let you pick from your computer's files. Comment, it will add a sticky note square on your slide only when you're editing to add reminders for yourself. So editing format. When working on a slide, double click on the text box when you want to start writing. When you start writing, on the right side, the panel will change to format where you can edit how you want the text to look, color, font, size. You can change the background by clicking on the slide, then click background within format. Then select from no fill, color fill, gradient fill, advanced gradient fill, and image fill. To pick a color, click on the color wheel, then select the color you want. Transitions. To add transitions to your presentation, click on the animate button in the toolbar. The panels on the right will change to an option for transitions. Click on Add an Effect. That will give you a large list of transition effects you can choose from. Click on the transition that you want to use. A triangle will appear in the right corner of the slide that has the transition. Saving and sharing presentations. To save your progress, simply click File, then Save. To collaborate with others, you can move your presentation to iCloud and work on it with other Apple users who you allow access to. To share, click Share, then Send a copy, then the method you would like to send it through, email, messages, etc. Other slideshow making programs. Some other presentation programs you can use are Google Slides and PowerPoint. Google Slides works great if you're using a Chromebook computer, Google products, or Gmail. PowerPoint is great for Microsoft. This is the live demo here. All right, so thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. ET on Thursdays.